Hello guys, this is your boy Tony P, aka Pudi, aka Biabani, aka Traffic, and you are watching Camby Tony P. Yes, a very big shout out to Adiself, me I call him oneself. Yes, Self Nation. Yeah, what I say. Unim the airport to the actually now what that sorry. Yes, sorry. Intimate person make actual say I the Zongo to BBC album. A wabonting on every platform. Go stream it. Oko Apple Music now, and then I number one. Who listed top 100. Zongo to the BBC album and number one. Yes, the Journey album is out. I decided we got to understand. Yes, so let's go straight into business. Shatta Wale one about something say Wale. Yes, Shatta Wale every day. Shatta Wale they get problem. So every day, if no be Nigerians, it be Jamaicans. Right now, you know say Popcan is in Ghana doing a project with Stonebwoy Vanguard. Yes, Vanguard. Now only say Popcan there Canada. Silence ultimatum like na. V is my best friend. Family, yes, Popcan is song they plenty. Where Popcan tweet, you know say as Shatta Wale then the Nigerians they fight blah blah blah. Bena boy one say everybody says Shatta Wale na say the majority of Africans they talk say Shatta Wale matter no dey inside. Only me pay way at the side with Shatta Wale. Only me pay. But at the side way they talk say Ghana Nigerian. If they compare on a music and Nigerians music there, it be pass on our own. Yeah, no to it. But some Ghanaians they do quality music past Nigerians. But if they rate say oh that one they Nigerians they ahead of us because there's no way me Peru para they way I go stop playing Peru para where I go listen Accra Kanesh Accra. Minty and the debate Adi Warhol. Yes, if Adi Warhol they there, I don't go listen Peru para because Adi Warhol. Yes, that's the thing. So everybody is against Shatta Wale right now. Where Popcan go tweet say because of ego, Shatta Wale will destroy himself and the country. You know, mention Shatta Wale in more, but what think Popcan tweets no get meaning. Because of ego go make you destroy yourself and your nation. So who he refer to? When somebody come tweet say Shatta Wale Nima, you got a missed call. So that means Akutebia knows the owner. Yes, I may blend the bro phone with you. Easy say it makes sense. Yeah, so Shatta Wale there will not do anything. No, where Popcan come give him straight bullet just like that. But we don't say it refers Shatta Wale. When Shatta Wale come right, Shatta Wale there no on so massa. On so. When Shatta Wale they talk say Bernard boy kind of say Popcan be found fuller than things they fool people. Hey. Shatta Wale don't know. Oh, with the ways this Shatta Wale go tweet more, me say I the ways this Shatta Wale go live, where you go blast Popcan because your names are you be behind popcorn. Because plenty people they mention them popcorn. By it be because of some of your music. That's why they call you Popcan. You know, guy, any reason where we go come Ghana, come tweet them blast on our own Shatta Wale. That's what Ghana. SM fans where you were. I know they talk you say go do violence, so make no do violence, but make you move to Popcan. Like Monsumun tweety, like that boy every day sack them people they get tweet. Sacking people, them do online every day. Okay, sack once a month, then go move to you. But Shatta Wale people, majority know they use phones. Well, I will get problem. Yes, Shatta Wale in fact, majority know they use phones. Then they use keypad tweet. But plenty will they use iPhones. Yes, because the matter with this thing you can't say Popcan tweet. No, me myself, I am a say ego go make Shatta Wale destroy himself and his country because Shatta Wale they defend Ghana. Right now, no Shatta Wale has to put fake prophecies. Right now, Shatta Wale as I say, Ghana music no bet me a right now, I say Shatta Wale go fit make Ghana music go forward. Because Shatta Wale they provide any they do everything possible to make Ghana music go forward. No, you come from the country, can they talk say because of ego, Shatta Wale go losing, he go destroy himself in the country. What are you trying to tell me? We are better than one body. I'm not trying to defend Popcan anyway, but that is it. It is what it is. Sana Asem Koye or the Shatta Wale. So the way they make Shatta Wale come blast them. So say that thing go there 50-50 or if Shatta Wale no come talk anything there. Then that means say Popcan win. I don't know whether it be Stonebwoy where they give them the advice they make. Nah, these things, you know for do. So guys, this be the news. Popcan, blast Shatawale, say make you stop that dumb things they do. Make you stop that because the same way they do it, they fight for guy, ego go make him destroy himself and his country. So guys, this is what I got for you. I'll be back with another excited video. My name is now Jenza mini kapa, if it's you, so give me that 10, give me that 10. I'll be your mobile phone, so be my sim, that channel, oh channel, oh channel, oh channel, this is the way that I'm channel, oh my Jenny, channel, no now I have to watch channel, this is the way that I'm channel. Oma Janibia Cannibal, Numbo, I have to watch Cannibal. I don't never fool. Say I did you miss it. I'm into when you made a I'll be the one for climbing. You for shine, don't worry. Cannibal. This is the way that I'm Cannibal. Oma Janibia Cannibal, Numbo, I have to watch Cannibal. Cannibal. This is the way that